Welcome to Compliance Weekly. It is 2024, October 15th. We will start by walking our milestone board. Let me share my screen. Yes, the last one discussed, I think, was edit framework screen policies. Next one is on me, feature flag, SAML to approve. I closed this so we can do the follow-up in a cleanup issue. And that will still be ongoing. Next one is address at click on div in create and edit framework. Natalia.
Oh yeah, it was like a small issue to improve accessibility for our accordions in the edit framework.
All right. Next one is compliance center on project level. Nate, do you have info on this?
Yes. Oh, sorry, Adish,
You can go ahead.
Yeah, I was just going to say it pretty much says what it does on the box.
All right.
So Ellie has
Nice.
added the compliance center at the project level for project owners. We still need to add the frameworks tab to that, but it's got the adherence report and the violations tab in there.
Right. Next one is by Monkey D. Luffy. Almost. Anyone have any info on this one?
Does this even belong to compliance?
Nope. Would say not.
It doesn't look like it belongs to us. No. Maybe we should fix that that group. All right. Anyone have anything to discuss for review or dev? All right.
I think I have like also one issue in verification is we were missing execution pipelines. What is
It's not
it?
here.
Okay, maybe that's about milestone. Maybe it has a next milestone.
Yes. Yeah.
But then we will discuss it next week, I guess. So it's okay. No worries.
All right. Is it stuck in verification? Is that why you're mentioning it?
No, just in verification. I think it's assigned to Andrew and he's off today. So.
All right. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at our planning issue then. All right, first one is on Josefa and Natalia, custom adherence report configuration. Anything to add here?
So for backend over here, the MR for I sent the MR for database changes, database migrations for review. There are some comments regarding it, and I started working on the GraphQL APIs for this, for the requirements.
Cool. From my side, for now, I switched back to some smaller issues I had assigned, but this week I plan get back to the requirements, and I've seen, Hitesh, I've seen your comments like regarding mutations and queries, so I'm gonna check it today, tomorrow, and get back to you in case I miss something.
All right. Next one is on me, compliance pipeline to security migration. That is mostly complete. We're adding another issue to deter adding compliance pipelines a bit for 17.6 and just hide some bits in the UI a little bit behind an accordion. Next one is add compliance adherence requirements for each security scanner, also on Gitesh.
So I for the SAS scanner MR, there the initial review is done, and there are some aspect failures, minor aspect failures in it. So I'm fixing those and will be sending them that one for backend maintainer review today. And the DAS scanner is similar to the SAS, so I'll start an MR for that one too.
Nice. Right, next is Cells 1.0 on Harsimar.
Yeah, so projects controller MR is in review right now. I am working on groups controller MR, but that will have some common code with the projects controller. So I will only be able to create it once projects controller is merged. Secondly, there was some sort of errors in background migration, which was running to backfill new audit events. That I have asked database team to help me there to understand if I need to decrease the batch size or we can increase the site kick timeout. So I'm waiting for their reply on it.
Right. Next one, Onitesh consolidation of tables for audit events streaming.
Not much update here. I'll be having discussions with Andrew over this, that he'll start taking some of the MRs and issues for this.
All right. Next one is compliance center available to project and subgroups. I think from the milestone board, it sounds like that one is live. Anything else to add, Nate?
No, just that there. Like I mentioned, we've still got to add the frameworks tab to it, but yeah, it is live, and we've
right.
merged the release post. So nice work,
Nice.
Ellie.
The streak continues. Yes, next one is on me, govern compliance group engineering and product metrics. Here we're adding or augmenting some of the metrics so we can have them in Lighthouse. That is still ongoing, and there's 2 issues scheduled for this milestone, 17.6. All right. Does anyone have any design or QA updates pending? All right. Any release post blockers to discuss?
Oh, I actually have something about QA updates. I've
Yeah.
noticed that we are some things in the compliance center are not covered with the QA tests. So do we have like the technical depth, or do we plan to work on it?
We have an epic for adding all of our tests. So if there's any workflows that you think are missing or need to be added, please open up an issue in this epic. I'll find.
Yeah, like I just remember that I was updating something, but yeah, I did like a little update, but there was no test, and like I was like, oh, shall I start it from scratch? So yeah, I think, but I decided that it's better to do it later. Okay, so I'll find it at school.
I've just added the epic to the agenda, so feel free to open
Thank
any.
you.
Yeah. All right. Okay, there's nothing additional in discussions either. So with that, we'll stop our recording. Thanks for attending.